Looking for a dependable power cord that keeps your workstation or home office running smoothly? This 10-foot AC power cord with NEMA 5 to 15P and IEC 60320C13 connectors is designed to deliver consistent power where you need it most. Rated to handle 125 volts at 10 amps, it's the kind of cable you want when reliability matters. I've tested this power cord myself, and what stands out is its build quality. Made from 100% copper wire and featuring fully molded strain relief connectors, it's built to last. The UL listing, UL62 UL817, and VW1 fire rating ensure it meets strict safety standards, so you can plug in with confidence. Plus, the flexible 18 Aruban Florins cable jacket is made of durable PVC, rated to handle temperatures from 37 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for most environments without worrying about wear or heat damage. This power cord is compatible with North American outlets thanks to its NEMA 5 to 15P plug, and the IEC C13 connector fits most desktop computers, monitors, printers, scanners, and more. It's a straightforward replacement for your PC's power supply cable that won't let you down. If you're an IT professional or just want a reliable, no-fuss power cord, this one comes backed with a lifetime warranty and free 24/5 multilingual technical support. Worth a look if you want a hassle-free upgrade. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality power cord can make.